Hello guys, probably by now you learned that I am passionately loving my beautiful wife, but I have another passion towards another beauty. If there is something I am really passionate about, I can't emphasize enough on this, those are the bikes. And today we are blessed with a new beauty, which is the Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0.
A 750 watts e-bike, and it is a foldable e-bike. The one thing I love about foldable e-bikes is that they are so portable. You can just put them in your car or in your vehicle and go with them to your adventures. Also, if you have like tight spaces, there's like it's so easy to store them away. I mean, it's so amazing, right?
Yes.
So we show them.
Should I show you guys how it folds? Start with the handlebar. There is a slide, you can just take it off. It folds very quickly and very easily. See, I'm already there. So you need to turn the key to be able to remove the battery, but don't forget that the key actually needs to come out in order be able to take out the battery. As you can see, the brand Vitilan has its own text, and then this is a Samsung battery inside. This battery is a lithium-ion battery, and it is 48 volt and 20 ampere hour. So I'm going to put back the battery. Don't forget, the way you see Vitilan needs to be upside down when you put it back, because this is the key lock, needs to be facing downwards. And then insert the key and turn, so you lock it and it won't fall out. And one more thing, the pedals also can be folded. The net weight of this bike is 37.7 kilogram and the gross weight is 47 kilograms. If you are able to lift up your wife, then it's not going to be a problem for you to lift up this bike, which I know most of you husbands are able to lift up your wives. To unfold this bike, it takes literally about 10 seconds if you are well experienced in it. So basically you have to just put it together this way, fix it, and then the handlebar fixed, and then back to the pedals. 1, 2, I just folded. Unfolded. Sorry for my English. As you can see, the tires are 20x4 fat tire. They fit and they run smoothly on every terrain. It has a very good gripping for every type of weather, every type of terrain, literally. I really love it already. And then the gear, it's a Shimano Altus 8 gear. It is providing you with high speed. It is very smooth, the transmission, when I'm changing gears. As you can see, we have an LED display, and it's very bright in very big sunlight. I can also see without even straining. That's the battery percentage, so you can see how it's charged. It still have a lot. And then this is miles per hour, and then this is the taken trip that I have already went with. It says trip, so 1.1 mile that I was using it already. This is the speed. The handlebars made out of luxurious leather. It's very nice and very good feeling when I'm holding it. You can see this is the gear where I change the speed, and then this is the index, the indicator light to the tail light. to the right, to the left, or to just stay still. And then this is the horn. Yes, and on the other side we have the settings here. With this one, this plus or minus, I can amend the speed, the speed assistant. So this is the highest, which will assist me with by cycling maybe one whole cycle. Is going to pedal assist me, which is very great. And then you have here this throttle, which is assisting you when you are riding. And this is, by the way, very important product. This is an accessory that Vitilan blessed us with. It's a smart helmet, V8 smart helmet from Vitilan. And this has a 4K camera and also smart rear lights, which are operating well, even in bright. You can adjust the size to every size of head. I have quite a big head, so it's going to be good for me. Gear 1, Gear 2, Gear 3. Okay, you see the speed is already very good because we are going downhill. I'm going to brake now. And this was very smooth braking, as you can see. Okay, now allow me to earn some more speed and to go right now a little bit uphill, but then I will take you around and show you how it is on downhill with speed, with gear 8 and speed 5. It's gonna be a very awesome experience. Gear change. Whoa, whoa. Hey, that was unexpected. No worries at all. Yes, we got this. So I'm going to put it into speed number 5, and then let's go. A little bit braking because of this part. Whoa. And I earn some speed. Look at that. It's really good, really smooth. And I'm testing the shock absorption, and you can hear and you can see how easy it is. Thank you. Whoa. Okay, so now let's go. Whoa, as you can hear, that is wind. I'm gonna make this easier. Oh yeah, it's a really nice experience. I'm gonna go this route. One of my favorite parts in this park is this hump. Whoa! Whoa! And I'm on the top. Wow! Wow! And guys, this was an overall very cool experience. Very nice one. I really loved it. Let me go back to my wife because she's already worried. I came so far. I just recommend you the Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0. This is a very powerful bike and it is well recommended. And let me just talk about the smoothness. I'm just starting to cycle. I haven't even cycled one full, and it's immediately assisting me on the high speed. Probably the lesser speed as well, but I so much enjoy this one that I'm off-road, you know, not so many people around, and I can just do my rounds, staying away from everyone and just be safe, you know. Wow. Okay, now slow down because we need to turn and go back to my beautiful wife and taking back my beautiful bike to my beautiful wife. That was a good ride. One of my favorite things on a bike like this is the shock absorption. Here is the part where you can actually adjust. So now, if I'm locking it this way, it's not going to let me to do anything. It's not going to absorb. If I unlock it, because you can see there is even a padlock on it. If I unlock it to this way, like that, just show. You see? And when I go up and down, it is really helpful because I'm not getting injured. Like, it's better to cycle on a bike which is having this feature than the one that is just still, because this is more flexible, and if I go with intense speed, it is helping me a lot. So it's safe and secured. I'm going to show you the maximum speed this can go with. Throttle. Come baby, show them the screen. That's 38.5 miles an hour. And yeah, the device is even telling me to stop. The overall experience of this bike is just amazing. Wow! Apart from the helmet, we have received this wonderful waterproof rack bag. It is adjustable, so I can just fix it here and it's not falling off. It is very nice. I already tested it. And then you have many compartments, many space. You can really extend this into a huge bag from both sides. And then you have this one here, this big part where you can organize your stuff, and they provided with this branded, it's like Hy-Vee waterproof rack bag cover. So when I'm on the road, I just put this one on and they can see me, and it's protected as well from the rain. And then it is very nice, and they gave us this rainbow lock. It is so strong that you actually cannot tear it, you cannot damage it. Like, this chain is very strong, and this provides you with the peace of mind that your bike will not be stolen.
It's already getting dark and we need to go home now, but we hope that we have convinced you enough to buy this Vitilan i7 Pro 3.0 because it's a really cool bike. It's a monster. Yeah, so we will provide the link to the bike in the description box down below. Make sure to go and check it out and buy it because this is a must-have.
Thank you so much, Vitilan, for sending us this amazing bike, and with all the accessories. We really appreciate it.
Yes, so that's it for this video. We hope to see you in our next one. But meanwhile, go check out this bike. Bye-bye.
Bye.